Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a cabbage drawing. We'll begin by sketching a large, light circle as the foundational shape for your cabbage. This initial circle doesn't need to be perfect. Think of it as a guide. Next, add a smaller, slightly off-center oval on top of your circle. This will represent the inner core of the cabbage, giving it a natural, organic feel right from the start. Keep your lines very light. Now, let's add the distinctive outer leaves. Begin drawing large, wavy, and somewhat irregular shapes around your initial circle. These leaves should overlap each other, creating a sense of depth and volume. Don't make them all the same size or point in the same direction. Variety is key to a realistic look. Allow some leaves to extend beyond your initial guide circle. Moving inward, we'll focus on the tighter, more compact inner leaves. Sketch smaller, more numerous overlapping shapes closer to the cabbage's core. These leaves will have less pronounced waves. To add texture, draw subtle, short, curved lines within each leaf, mimicking the natural veins and wrinkles of a real cabbage. Use a slightly darker pencil for these details to make them stand out. Finally, let's bring your cabbage to life with some shading. Use a light touch to apply shading, focusing on areas where leaves overlap or are naturally in shadow. This will give your drawing a three-dimensional quality and make it appear round. Gradually darken these shaded areas for more contrast. Once satisfied, carefully erase any remaining initial guidelines to present a polished, complete cabbage drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.